How to install WhatsApp in your computer or laptop. In this video, I will show you how you can install WhatsApp in your Windows laptop or PC. So let's get started. First of all, click on your Windows icon and here click on Microsoft Store and here search for WhatsApp. And here you can see two different types of WhatsApp. You can install any one of these. For example, if I want to install first one, I will just click on install and after installation I will click on open. And here you can click on get started. And now you can scan your WhatsApp from your mobile device or you can use another method like link with phone number. And here you can type your phone number and just log in. So guys, in this way you can log in or install WhatsApp in your computer or PC. Thanks for watching.